Hi and hello, this is Vignesh Kumar again. In this video we are going to see how to convert a PDF to HTML using Find Editor and Epsilon. So I have a PDF over here. So first we need to install Find Editor and Epsilon on all those things. So where to get Find Editor and Epsilon and Mathtype, all those. So go to this website. So this is a free website. We can get all those things over here. Get into PC. So get into pc.com. So find ABB. Then you will get all those things. So I'm using this version Find 15, and this 2003 version is happening. They have released in 4 weeks ago. So I'm using the latest version of Find Editor 15. So similarly you can get Mathtype also here. Mathtype is sorry. So whatever you want, you can get all those things. So I'm using this 2022 latest version Mathtype. And what else required? Epsilon you can get lugaru.com. This is an official website. You can get Epsilon over here. Sorry, lugaru.com. This is official website. You can get here, or else you can get from torrent, like the Pirate Bay. The Pirate Bay.org. For this you supposed to have VPN. So you know about VPN. If you know about VPN, you can have. This will be like here. So this one I'm using this VPN. So you can switch on this VPN. Switch on this VPN and go to this Pirate Bay, and you can have n number of cracked software over here. Okay, let's go to this one. So once you install, just right click. So you will have options like edit with Tabi, convert and compare with so lot of things. So just go here and select this open with OCR editor. So once you select this OCR editor, you will have this window. So this window, I have already loaded the PDF. So the options are this one, you need to capture the text area, and this one we can capture the table area. So in this PDF we do not have table. So this one we can able to capture images. Okay. So now using Find Editor we can have text and table clear. So for images and other data we can go with Photoshop. So what I do is I just select text and drag down. As this is a double column, so I took another, drag and down. So to read this, to recognize this, so press the shortcut key of Ctrl R. So things are read, and it will reflect some more samples over here. The yellow highlights are errors. Why? Because Find Editor will not recognize the math. So even Microsoft Word will not recognize the math. So we need a third-party tool, that is Mathtype or some other MML coding. So we can get a text and table using this Find Editor. So once you read, then you go to the second page. So already read this second page over here. So we have 5 pages. So once you fully read, so you need to select this formatted text, and you need to select save HTML. So before going this, I just want to show you something. So please select the languages before you read each page. Each page means the first page. So first English, Greek, then go to the town and select chemical and math numbers. So this will help you to identify non-English characters, German, Greek. So this will help you to easily identify the alpha, beta, those kind of Greek characters, delta, something. So first one, when you open the Abbey Editor, select this drop down and choose the languages, then start reading, start zoning each pages and recognize by Ctrl R, then you will have this data. So it is enough to set only once when you open the Abbey Editor. So now we are supposed to save. So choose formatted text. So do not be plain text. Formatted text will bring you italic, bold, all those things. Then choose HTML. Save as HTML. Then where to choose. So have a path over here. So if you wish to have, you can select this one, open document when saving. If you don't want, so no need. So it is up to our wish. So I'm saving this. HTML saved and the file is over here. Things are done here. So this is all we can have. So let's take a look. The file is here. So make a copy. So we have a copy. So the file extension is HTML. So change it as XHTML. As we require this, supposed to we are building a HTML file and CSS3 for EPUB. So now open this into Epsilon. Just drag and drop into Epsilon. So we have the coding over here. Now load the B file over here. B file. Load bytes. So Mathtype files. Things are loaded. So just run math_oids Abbey. So it thinks this will bring something like so two body tags over here. Just delete one, and things are here. So mostly all things were done. Now save. Now go to your page and try to open with Mozilla Firefox. So why Mozilla Firefox? Mozilla Firefox will help you to view the math perfectly. So we have an error in this line 107.10. So to go to the line, Ctrl X G, 107.147, right? Is it right? What is it? Yeah, 107.147. Enter. So italic tag is missing. Italic. Closing tag is missing. So this supposed to be delete. So okay, let's delete and we'll check. To delete the tag, just press Ctrl Shift V. That will delete the tag. So open and close is correct. Now refresh the page. Okay, now the errors are cleared. You could see italic and superscript, subscript in bolds are in different colors. Why? Because we have loaded the styles over here. So these styles, this is been reflecting over here. So superscript supposed to bring some colors. So this will be like this. Sorry. So each, italic supposed to show something, and bold supposed to be like this. Subscript supposed to show something with some colors, so which will reflect like this. So now, how to work? So we have merged and clumsy text over here. So we need only text. The math part we'll have using Mathtype. So now go to where's the PDF? Yeah, I'm opening the PDF. We have text and maths over here. So first, how to capture the text? We'll have a look up how to capture text without any error. So we have a double column. Whatever this, just align the text over here. Then open the Epsilon, and this should supposed to be like this. So first line in this PDF we have so and some math over here. So go here, delete. So we have a so here, and the rest is math. So give one space. Why? Because there is a space, and select the whole, delete. So now this is an inline math, we know well. So we know well difference about inline and display math. Inline math will come inside the paragraph. A display math like this will not have any paragraph supporting. This will be ruling the whole passage. So this is inline math. So what we need to do is just give Alt N in this Epsilon area. So this will bring some span curves over here. When you open this, go to home. So we will have this text like, so inline math supposed to be inserted here. So just once just finish the text area, we'll see the math later part. So sorry. So just check all this, anything is missing. Just check this line, then we have a second line, then this is not required, angular. So we are in this second line. So from here, this is an inline math. So I'm just deleting this and inserting Alt N. So this will reflect like this. See? So likewise, just check the text first, then we'll have, so now here angular moment of and things, so then supposed to become up. This is an multiplication entity, and this and the paragraph ends here, and this looks like this one. Then then we'll go with another math. So this is ML something squared and all those. So this is not being recognized by Abifinder. So do one thing, if you can copy, then copy, or else you can just type that things. Now ML, so this is superscript. So superscript, we have loading something like math YDS B, so we don't need to tag manually. Just click Alt P, so that will bring a superscript tag over here. Then the entity ampersand as X00D7. So this is an multiplication. Then -1. So what is a -1? So -1. So just select the minus and press Alt M. This will bring minus entity. Then this whole thing is supposed to be superscript. Then equal to XML mode. Equal, we supposed to have equal spaces before and after. That is a rule of math. ML2T -1, then supposed to be superscript, then minus, this one what, superscript, at the end paragraph close. If suppose the text is not being recognized, just copy and paste and just do this method of typing. Then what else next? Sorry. So now where we are, wait, I did something wrong. Okay, now end. Now this, we are in this line, right? So on Epsilon, I'm just checking where all these sums are come. So this is supposed to be minus -2 something. Just this is supposed to comes under here. Yes, MTL superscript P. So then supposed to be minus space and minus. Then the second line over, and the third line, in the fourth line, this is minus. If this is supposed to be the same pattern, just replace these things. Okay, we have these things and give enter. So minus. So this is how we can have, we can check these files. Like if you drag and go like this, we'll have quality output without any text loss. So now come to the math part. So this is a math that we know well, right? So we have a first math. Let's have a first math over here. So this is the math. So we have math here. So we need to know what is what in the math type. So first we need to know the stylings area. So math should come in math, text should come in text, function should come in function, and variable is supposed to be variable, grade supposed to be grade. So how to identify things? If a math comes in italic, then this is supposed, this terms is math. If a text comes in like Roman, then we'll have this in functions. If a word like where or some text content, then we'll use text. That's all. Then the variable supposed to be plus, minus, fractions, and some entities that will come like this. So we need to know the we need to know the shortcuts first. So let's do this. So K is italic, so then equal. So we have fraction over here. So what I do is just go and select this. Instead of this, we need to learn these shortcuts. Just look over here. When I choose this, the shortcut will be popping over there. So I know the shortcut, that is Control F for fraction 1. Then I press tab to go to the next section. Then I press tab to the another one. So now I can use M. Now the entity, if you know the shortcut, then you can use the shortcut. For this, you're supposed to press Ctrl GW. So now I press Ctrl GW for this entity. Then we have a superscript over here. The superscript, we're supposed to press Ctrl H2, then A, Ctrl H2. For lowercase, for subscript, we can use Ctrl L. So as these are superscript, so I use Ctrl H. So now then cos. So these math this math terms automatically turns into Roman, so no need to worry. Then H2, then we have entity, right? So Ctrl G W, then T. So the math is typed well. So go to preferences, copy preference, choose math to tech, math 2.0 no namespace, and click OK. Now copy the whole term and go to your Epsilon or any text editor where supposed to be placed. We have a span over here. Just replace the span with the math. So to bring this in a view, we need an attribute. So we have already loaded on B file. In that B file have a key that can bring the attribute. So now I'm pressing Ctrl E. So this attribute requires to bring the math in the browser. So as this is inline, so I change this into inline. Now saving the file and opening the browser, refresh, we can see that this is tagged well. Okay, now let's have a look what comes in what. So K, this will be like MI. So what if a K comes in direct straight line? So you have typed a K that's supposed to come in a straight line, means what you need to do is just press Ctrl Shift F. Ctrl Shift F means the style is supposed to be function. So let's check this to math. So first one italic comes in MI, another one in MI with not math variant equal to normal. So this will be turned like inline. Just paste it inside the paragraph of the file. Close that. We'll have these differences. So normal, which is MI, and MI with math variant. Similarly, operators will come in MO, like this. So whatever the operators, this will be automatically converted into MO. So let's have a look. See, this is MI, math variant, MO, whatever this comes in this. So when you're supposed to have a chance to use of brackets, do not use these templates. If you are going with a math, do not use these templates. Instead, you can use your manual keys. So consider we are using fraction. Just copy and go to your Epsilon or whatever text editor you have. Just paste over here. So you'll have your math over here. just come down, delete this unwanted attribute. Now insert the attribute and you will have this one. What if the attribute is not being used? I mean, the attribute is not being replaced. How come the outputs are? Let's have a look. The outputs will be looks like this. Why? Because this term turns into false. So we can use true. So true will be look like this. So instead, it is good to delete the whole term. Sorry, here is it, right? Can have this like this. So this is how math goes. Okay, let's have a look of very big one. I mean equal element math. So we have an equal element math over here. This one, right? Let's have make a pick. This is an equal element. Anything, something. So this is also equal element, and this is also equal element. So we can take this equal element is on here, right? F equal to something and equal to. So this kind of math we need to understand the math rows and columns. So here we have a math, right? This is a good example. So let's see. So this comes in normal text. Why? Because we have some text. We can take it as normal text. Also we can take this the whole term as a math. So here we supposed to understand how many rows and how many columns. So as this is an equal element, we are supposed to judge from here to here. So from equal to one column. So before equal, we need to identify and understand how many columns are there. So I can say there is a 3 column over here. So how come this whole term 1 column and this term 1 column and this term this term 1 column after the equal 1 column. So open the Mathtype now. So there are 3 column and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. So go to matrix and select this one. So we have a shortcut for this, Control MN. So 5 rows, 3 column. Enter. If you have this matrix, so you can type so supposed to be what? Text. So Control Shift E, then comma, space, volume, then go to V, then supposed to be capital, then equal, area is supposed to be what? Text. Then we have a multiple symbol. So multiple symbol supposed to come in MO, right? So once you used ME for M text, so you need to turn your math style, then only the operators or the numerical values turns into the respective tags. Otherwise this will be captured as M text. So multiplication, so for multiplication you can use over here, this thing is over here, Control K, Control T, so multiplication, then X, then go to style, change into math, then X, then come to second one, then V equal and something, then empty row X equal to capital V slash A. Then we have therefore, so go to therefore, select therefore, and 2R is equal to some fractions, some things. So then, and arrow over here, this one, this arrow over here. So Control K, Shift right arrow, that is shortcut for the arrow. Then fraction, something, and delta. So Control G D, I think. So Control G, capital T, delta is there, and capital P, then equal to fraction T. So what is the P R, then T. Then the whole math is ready now, right? Just maximize home. The whole term is ready. Now copy and go to your Epsilon. So okay, here go to math, and over here, and go here and insert the attribute. So this one, save, and the output will be like this, the proper alignment. So instead of this doing like this, so I have an option for a perfect one. Just download the Mathpix and use some of your logins. So login, and you'll have this. Just go to here, take a snip and select the area where you want, which you want, how much you want. Take a snip on the output is ready with Mathmatics. So here the term will be like this. This will reduce your keying work. So as this is a merged one, so let's take a look another some big samples over here. Okay, let's take this one. As this is some clumsy, right? So take a Mathpix. So bring the output. Just click this Mathtype and paste it to your paratag and paste it over here. Please save the file and look over the output. The output is ready. So make sure you are viewing with Mozilla Firefox. The output is ready. So instead of dragging like with Mathtype, you can use this Mathpix. So this is a chargeable thing. How much means 500 rupees for 5000 snipping. So you can use n number of math and up to 5000 snippings. Then this will produce the output fine. So this is how we can generate a HTML file with a math book. It's very easy, right? This same term will be like this one, right? Sorry, this one. This goes like something, right? Just copy this term and roll to your Epsilon. Now do not just update this one. So we have a math this one, right? Sorry, where is it? So this one. Just adjust the, what if comes like this, adjust the this one or something. Yeah, this one. Go to the PDF. Where is it? Math. the math. Where is that math we captured? Go to the math area. This one, right? Just go here, and so we know well 3 columns and 5 rows. Just adjust the 3 columns. So first supposed to be always right, then left. Then column spacing supposed to be first EM, then 0 EM, 0 EM. Then first we have one table row. Just consider this as a table. Do not consider this as a just consider this as a table. Do not consider this as a mat. This 2 column and 3 column. So first column TD, then go down. The next column is supposed to go up, right? So just copy this TD, then up to the volume is supposed to be 1 TD. Just close the TD and open another TD, then up to V another TD, then equal to X area another TD. Then the first row goes in the second row. So here we have a dummy area over here. So what we need to do is we need to press dummy and one more TD over here. So this is second TD, that which is this V alone. Then we'll have from equal to this X. So from equal to X another TD, then the row close. Then we are here now. Then this one, so suppose have a self close, that is a dummy area 1, and this Epsilon, then these things V2A, then the row closed. Then we are here. This the whole term is one column, and 2R. Where is the 2R? 2R is one column. Then after the equal to 2A, so this one up to 2A, one column, then the row closed. Then we are here, right? And now this and one column. So after the and M space, which will bring the spacing. Just close. Sorry, it's already closed, right? Here down, and A, and after so this one delta 2P one column, and this one column. Then the table row close, and the table close, and the math close. Save and refresh. This comes like fine, right? So I hope you have understand how to generate a PDF to HTML in a math file using Find Reader and Epsilon, all those things. So this is how we can capture. So we can use Find Reader and Mathtype. So Mathtype we can use the shortcut keys to bring a small maths like this, fractions, or this one like this, or like this small maths. We can bring this, copy these things and paste it to your text editor and just redraw the attribute, and you can have the math over here. So this is how it's a very easy method to bring the HTML file from PDF. So we can have around 50 pages per day easily. So I suggest to use you to Epsilon to finish your work as soon as possible. Fine. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. See you. Bye bye.